Okay, so this is how the fridge works. Don't do that, don't do that. Open that up, lock that over if you want to. And it's got these little pull here. Just it's on a tray. Pull that. It opens up that little slip there. It's on a tray underneath, like a little drawer. And the fridge is actually, if you can see in there, the fridge is actually bolted to it. Come up here, unflick that one, and there's usually enough room between there and there to hold that open. You get whatever you want. That's a 60 litre fridge. You can put that down, water whatever there. Undo these. Now I need two arms. So hang on a sec. Need two hands because you've got to unlock it. That just pulls out like that. Pulls right out. It's pretty big, you can put whatever you like in there. And you can always put the fridge back anyway. That just stays in by itself. It's all independent with a little lock. That's it. And the drawer works on its own. It's pretty easy. And then if you want a bit more storage, actually put these up here. And you open that up like that. That's nicely. And put all your pots and pans in there. Only light stuff, because some people get, you know, a bit worried about how heavy it is over the ball. But personally, I just pull whatever I need to take. Alright, so it's both on sides. Okay, that's about it.